In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use let to avoid repeating a cell reference in IFS formulas. Open Excel on your computer, then open the sample workbook you want to use. We'll work in the label column, where each score will be converted into a text category. Click cell C2 in the label column. First, we'll enter a regular IFS formula so you can see the repeated cell reference clearly. Start by typing equals IFS, then an open parenthesis. Type B2 less than 40, then comma, then low in quotation marks. Next, type comma, B2 less than 70, comma, then medium in quotation marks. Continue with comma, B2 less than 90, comma, then high in quotation marks. Finally, type comma, B2 greater than or equal to 90, comma, then very high in quotation marks, and close the parenthesis. Press enter. Cell C2 should now show medium, because the score in B2 is 45. Look at the formula bar and notice that B2 appears 4 separate times inside the formula. That means if the score column ever changed, every one of those references would need to be updated. Now click cell C2 again to reselect it. Press delete to clear the old formula. This time we'll use let to name the score cell once, and then reuse that name inside IFS. Type equals let, then an open parenthesis. Type score, comma, B2, comma. This tells Excel that the named score should refer to cell B2. Now type IFS, then an open parenthesis. Type score less than 40, comma, low in quotation marks. Then type comma, score less than 70, comma, medium in quotation marks. Next, type comma, score less than 90, comma, high in quotation marks. Finally, type comma, score greater than or equal to 90, comma, very high in quotation marks. Close the IFS parenthesis, then close the let parenthesis. Press enter. The cell still shows medium, but now B2 appears only once. Inside let, each condition uses the friendly name score instead of repeating the cell reference. Click cell C2 again. Move your pointer to the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell, called the fill handle. When the cursor becomes a thin black cross, double-click it, or drag it down through row 9, then release. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The label column now displays a category for all 8 rows, low, medium, high, or very high. Click any cell from C2 through C9, and look at the formula bar. You'll see the let formula, with the score cell reference appearing only